Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have the speaker battle between the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, the Pixel 4a, and yes, that is the LG Velvet. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Yes, today's video is the ultimate speaker battle between the Note 20 Ultra, my Pixel 4a, and then also, yes, don't adjust your screens, that is the LG Velvet. I need to shout out Google for sending me the Pixel 4a, and LG, yes, they sent me out the Velvet for review. Stay tuned to the channel. I have more coverage coming up on the LG Velvet. This video will not be a scientific video. I do not have a decimal reader. I do not have any type of those readers. We're just going to listen to some music from SoundCloud, and I want y'all to pick a winner. Which one sounds the loudest and which one sounds the overall best when y'all listen to these songs. At the end, I may even play a short clip of one of my favorite YouTubers, so that way we can see if you're watching YouTube, does it make any difference? These three phones have stereo speakers or dual speakers, whatever you want to call it. The earpiece and then also the bottom facing speaker. The sound profiles are all set on auto, so it just plays you the best sound based off of what you're doing. I'm going to turn the volume up on all phones and I'm going to play one at a time. So let's get into it. I'm going to start off with the Galaxy Note, then the Pixel, and then the Velvet. Let's get into it. Alright, so here is the Note 20 Ultra. Again, I'm just playing non-copyrighted music.
Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in pink and bleach. Cross on the ones who paint the curse and watch me weep. I love everything.
Alright, so that was the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. What y'all thought? Now, here's the Pixel.
Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in pink and bleach. Cross on the one.
Alright, so that was the Pixel. Next is the Velvet. Same song.
Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in pink and bleach. Cross on the ones who paint the curse and
Alright, so that was the LG Velvet. Alright, the Note 20 Ultra with a different song. Alright, so that was the Note 20 Ultra. What y'all thought about that? Here's the Pixel 4a. Same song. All right, so that was the Pixel. Next is the Velvet. All right, so the Velvet. All right, so that was the Velvet. Now I'm going to do the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra for one more time.
Yeah. I know brain. Marvin Divine. And we back. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, different commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming, it's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody.
Note 20 Ultra. Next is the Pixel. Same song.
Yeah. I know brain. Marvin Divine. And we back. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, different commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming, it's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me.
All right, so that was the Pixel 4a. Next is the Velvet. Same song.
Yeah. I know brain. Marvin Divine. And we back. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, different commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming, it's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living.
All right, so that was the LG Velvet. Next, I'm going to play about 30 seconds of one of my favorite YouTubers on YouTube, part of Team 100, BG Tech Life. So let me get that video going. If you're not following that man or subscribe to his channel, make sure you do so. All right, so I'm going to play his latest video. There you go. Again, if you're not subscribed to my man, definitely go do so. So I'm going to play like 30 seconds of it.
What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today I got a case video for y'all. As you can see, we got my Note 20 Ultra on deck today. We got the out of box, the Defender Pro for the Note 20 Ultra. So this has been something y'all done seen on my channel plenty of times. But we just gonna go ahead and check it out for this year, and I'm gonna make sure I give y'all them tips on how to install and uninstall, this case, because a lot.
All right, so what y'all thought about the Note 20 Ultra watching videos? I think you could do good. It actually sounded great. His intro is really good. I love his intro, by the way. I'm going to do the Pixel next, and then, like I said, we can make our final decision coming up. All right, so here's the Pixel, same video.
What's good,
good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today I got a case video for y'all. As you can see, we got my Note 20 Ultra on deck. Today we got the out of box, the Defender Pro for the Note 20 Ultra. So this has been something y'all done seen on my channel plenty of times. But we just gonna go ahead and check it out for this year, and I'm gonna make sure I give y'all them tips on how to install and uninstall, this case.
Alright, so that was the Pixel 4a. What y'all thought compared to the Note 20 Ultra? Let me set up the Velvet next. Alright, so the Velvet is next.
What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today I got a case video for y'all. As you can see, we got my Note 20 Ultra on deck. Today we got the out of box, the Defender Pro for the Note 20 Ultra. So this has been something y'all done seen on my channel plenty of times. But we just gonna go ahead and check it out for this year, and I'm gonna make sure I give y'all them tips on how to install and uninstall, this case, because a lot of people have problems with that.
Alright, so that was the LG Velvet. Again, between all three phones, which one was your favorite? Was it the Note 20 Ultra, the Pixel 4a, or the LG Velvet? Which one had the better overall sound? Which one would you pick as the winner? Let's get a discussion going in the comments below. If you like this video or you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, also the notification bell, so that way you know when I drop my latest video on these three phones. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.